Hi, about my personal life. I want to lose body fat, and my goals are simple. I will exercise 4 to 5 hours per week in the next couple of years. I will manage my calorie intake, and I'm planning on losing 4 pounds the first year and 6 to 10 pounds on the second year. Emotionally, I want to control my desire to talk a lot, and I will start by trying to listen and trying to learn something new. I hope to improve on my emotional well-being and improving my listening skills. In my professional ground, I will try to read cooking books and make better cookies and bread. I will gain improving my skill sets and my curriculum. In my economics, I will save 5,000 pesos, and for that I'm going to cut down on my expenses and save money to buy a personal computer in a couple of years. How I view myself, I will finish my high school degree. The house where I live will be occupied with two small children and my beautiful wife. We will have long summer evenings with the back of the sun declining down our rooftop. My children will smile, laugh while running away from each other, playing and enjoying their time together. My wife and I will grill a steak in the front yard. The smoke on our country music will be the background to our happiness. I'm sure we will be a happy family, having the best time of our lives. Our nights will end with a long chat in our beds, trying to remember how we got there, and if we believe it could happen before we knew each other. And I will remember the moment when I wrote about my future. Thanks, guys. Happy to see you.